girl Gigi, and I am back again with another video for you guys. In this video, I will show you guys how I achieve this affordable but chic look. So if you are interested on learning, just keep on watching. So I already primed my face using Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. Now I'm using my LA Girl Pro Color Corrector in the color orange, and I'm using it to color correct my hyperpigmentations and my dark spots. Now I'm going to use my LA Girl concealer in the color Toffee, and I'm going to apply it under my eyes and all over my eyelid, and then I'm going to blend it. Now that I'm done covering my hyperpigmentations and my dark spots, I'm going to use a foundation to bring everything back to balance. And I'm using a makeup sponge and a wet beauty blender to blend in the foundation. Now that I'm done blending my foundation, I'm going to step out for a minute to do my eyebrows, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, now it's time to conceal. I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee, and I'm going to apply it under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, above my lips, on my forehead, and on my chin. Next, I'm going to take my Ruby Kiss Contour Cream Palette, and I'm using this brown color to contour my cheekbones, my forehead, and my nose. Now that we're done contouring, I'm going to take a wet beauty blender and I'm going to blend out the highlighted areas. Next, I'm going to take a blending brush and I'm going to blend out the contoured areas. Next, I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Photofocus Banana Setting Powder, and I'm going to apply it all over the areas that are concealed. Also, I'm going to use the banana setting powder to trace a line on my cheekbones under the area that I contoured. And I'm using a smaller beauty blender to set the concealer line down the bridge of my nose. Now I'm going to take my LA Colors eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take this brown color to set the concealed areas. And I'm going to use the same brown shade I used to contour with and add that to my eyelids to warm them up a little bit. Now I'm going to use a powder brush to dust the excess powders away. Now I'm gonna take my L'Oreal True Match powder in the color Cocoa C8 and I'm gonna use that to seal everything in place. Next, I'm gonna take my LA Girl Matte Flat Finish Pigment Gloss in the color Rebel and I'm gonna use that on my lips. To take the cakey powdery look away, I'm gonna use a setting spray. So I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild setting spray and I'm going to spray it all over my face. Before my face dry completely, I'm gonna take my Maybelline Fantastic Face and Body Baked Bronzer and I'm going to apply it on the areas that I want to shine when the light hits. Now I'm going to take a mascara and I'm going to apply it on my lashes. Guys, I'm not gonna use any eyeliner or eyelashes because it's a beginner friendly makeup. I want everybody to be able to do it easily. And I'm also applying the Maybelline Fantastic Face and Body Baked Bronzer in the corner of my eyes. Et puis, voila, we're all done. I love you guys. Bye.